In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put logo in Power BI Desktop. If you're building a report for a team, a client, or your own portfolio, adding a logo is a quick way to make your work look polished and on brand. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in just a minute. First, open your report in Power BI Desktop and make sure you're on the report canvas where you want the logo to appear. At the top of the screen, you'll see the ribbon with several tabs. Click the Insert tab. This is where Power BI keeps the tools for adding visual elements like text boxes, shapes, buttons, and of course, images. Next, select the Image option. As soon as you click it, your computer's File Explorer will open. Here, you'll navigate to the folder where your logo file is stored. You can use formats like PNG, JPEG, or SVG. If you have the choice, a PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest because it blends smoothly with your report's background color or wallpaper. Also, choose a version of the logo that's crisp and not too large in file size, so your report stays responsive. Now, choose your logo file and confirm your selection. Power BI will drop the image onto your report canvas. You'll immediately see it appear, and that's the core of the process done. From here, you can position the logo where it makes the most sense for your layout, commonly a corner of the page, to keep it visible without distracting from charts and visuals. Click and drag to move it, and use the corner handles to resize. If you want to maintain the original proportions, resize from a corner rather than the sides, so it doesn't look stretched or squashed. As a tip, think about visual hierarchy. Your charts and KPIs should remain the focus, with the logo reinforcing identity in the background. If your logo has a busy or dark design, consider placing it where the report background is simpler, so it stays legible and professional. Consistency across multiple report pages also helps your work feel cohesive, so replicate the same position and size on each page if you're building a multi-page report. That's all you need to add a logo in Power BI Desktop. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in how your report is perceived and remembered. Try it on your next project and keep your branding front and center without overshadowing your insights.